Hello, welcome back to another video. Today we eating a bit lunch today. Today we having baked chicken. You see the baked chicken? I got 3 of them. So we having baked chicken with the rice and with the string beans, peas, and corn. Look. Ooh, look at this rice, y'all. It's so beautiful. I am mac and cheesy. I made my own mac and cheese ingredient. And I got my 2 breads. And we got our 2 Capri Suns. And our big Capri Sun. So, you already know that's all we eating today. And drinking. Yeah, girl. Enjoy this meal and have a wonderful day. Stay tuned for the next video and love you guys. And bye. See you next time.